So today we'll be playing The Button. I've actually never played this game, so this will be an experience. If you look at the time, it's currently 8:39 in the morning. Yes, I put a lot of effort in my video. No, like video. I put a lot of... What the heck? No. I put a lot of effort into making videos for you guys. So if you can you guys please subscribe? I'm trying to reach like 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers, please. But anyways, we're here. Whoa. This is crazy.
Welcome to phase 1. Allow me to explain before we begin the experiment.
I'll press the button.
An event will occur each time the button is pressed.
Button.
Survive as long as you can. There will only be one winner. Let the experiment begin. To start things off, let's begin with a lighter event. Whoever presses the button will either be rewarded or terminated. Choose wisely. Congratulations. You won and will now be rewarded with a very useful item. No participants were terminated.
Yes, again. No. No. Please get away from me. Please, I don't think Yes. Bruh. No. You guys are racist, I say. You guys are racist, bro. What's with you and racism? I'm a tall black man in a big black light. It's really cute, but relax. Just black. Why can't you kill the white? The whites committed nuclear war crime. There are only like 3, maybe 4 black people in there. Look at that. Yeah, that guy right there. But what are you looking at me like that for? Think.
Welcome to Phase 1. Allow me to explain before we begin the experiment. An event will occur each time the button is pressed.
Blah, blah, blah.
Survive as long as you can. There will only be one winner. Let the experiment begin.
You know, I'm getting
To
terminated.
start things off, let's begin with a lighter event. Pressing the button will terminate someone else at random.
Okay.
Keep in mind, decisions have consequences. This is the participant responsible for their termination. Combat against them has been authorized. This is your opportunity to serve justice. The following participants were terminated.
Go left. Both of them just left. Outbreak marked. Outbreak. Dang it. I pressed the sprint, guys, I'm not lying. But these guys are just hating on me. Bro. Just like that. Okay, that's crazy. $5 This is my corpse. This is my corpse. Ding ding. Corpse. Corpse out loud. No, yes. Save. Oh my god. Oh my. Where's this guy? I'm gonna play it again. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna play it like 2 more times.
as long as you can. There will only be one winner. Let the experiment begin. To start things off, let's begin with a lighter event.
Sorry guys for the interruption. I was just talking in private.
Whoever presses
Hey,
the
is that
button
so?
will either be rewarded or terminated. Choose wisely.
No, but I think that guy is. Hold on.
Congratulations. You won and will now be rewarded with a very useful
Coil
item.
wolf tail. Deserted, coil wolf ears, coil wolf
No
head.
participants were terminated.
Yeah, blue furry. Guess I'm pressing it.
Prepare to run for your life. The Juggernaut will soon be chosen. If the Juggernaut fails to terminate enough subjects, they will be eliminated. The Juggernaut failed to terminate enough subjects. From this point onward, combat is authorized around the button. I suggest you act with caution.
No. Let's see this. Hold on. What was it? Real quick.
Behind these doors lies a minefield. One wrong step will trigger an explosion. Reach the other side to survive.
Okay, then I'm standing on the side. Yes, guys, we made it. Oh, dang. Fucks. How are you still alive? Bro, you have plot armor. Oh, so that side is red, but this side is good. That makes more sense. not proper. It's not even, who even has proper?
We will pause to take a short break.
Bro, what happened? Outbreak. Guys, I'm still alive, guys. I think it's my new goated spot. Because they can't see me. So that's like, this is literally like my golden spot. Golden spot. So all I have to do is just wait till it's over. So yeah, have fun trying to find me, boy.
The following participants were terminated.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. They're all stupid. Dude, you were really good people. Bro. bad on the tennis. This is how 2026 is gonna feel, guys. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.